Okay guys, this is so annoying. I cleaned the BMW and I used a pressure washer, and this is what happened. Yes, I removed all the glossy paint. This is bad. really bad. Bad quality, of course, but we need to fix that. But how? And I really don't want to send it to the painter because I really want a new bumper, but I can't afford it right now. Are we gonna do it ourselves? I don't think so. Damn. Well, okay guys, we can't do anything about that right now, but we can do something about the ugly chrome grille. I hate chrome. I really hate chrome. So we're gonna remove these and install this one. If it all goes to plan, of course. Yeah, that's always the question. I love it. Annoying. This one, it was quite hard to get him off, let's be honest, but it's not unrealistic. It's just like they got a few clicking points. You push them up, they come loose right away. This one at least it is. This one wasn't. And this one, it does fit, but the clips don't seem to work. It feels like this bumper has had some damage history, because something's not right. It's just not clicking. It's exactly the same. I checked it. The only difference is I thought it was a quick win to put the black cover on instead of the chrome piece. That didn't work. Annoying. I'm gonna think about this one for a while. After a long and meaningless break, he finally got back to work. I was thinking, well, first of all, I got them out, and I was thinking, well, if this one doesn't fit properly, what should I do next? And maybe, just maybe, we're gonna have just those two painted. That will solve some of the problem, because this is just not as fixed as it should be. Now we do have a solution. Put some tape on the lips so it fixes a little bit, and it will stay on there until we get the bumper painted or get a new bumper, as I would really love. But yeah. Never mind the wind. I found a solution. The clips were a little bit off. I heated them a little bit and suddenly it fixed. So I'm gonna go out of the wind, heat them up, put them back in and see if it works. Well, that did the job. Look, what an improvement. And they are stuck. It was like the clips were a little bit in. I heated them, pushed them a little bit out, and suddenly it all fitted. The worst thing that could happen, I could lose them. But I decided the original ones probably would be a great idea when we got the bumper painted to paint them too. And then problem is solved. Just like this. Now I've got another mop, but I need to change the car around. Yeah guys, because after installing this thing that isn't really properly done but good enough, I decided, yeah. I ruined it. This is harder than you think. It sucks. I think I have to get the lights out or something, but I don't really feel like doing that. It's kind of annoying because maybe the wind is just too bad. It's not really cold, but it just isn't flexible, this stuff. And it's annoying because the carbon parts I had, the dashboard covers, that was very easy to work with. But this stuff is not easy. Well guys, that was an annoying day. Few days, weeks, months. Nothing really worked the way I had in my mind. And that's reality sometimes. Sometimes it doesn't work the way you got it in your mind. And you know, I'm quite irritated about that. Because in my mind I can do anything. But the reality is I can't. Yeah. So covering the headlights of the lights with the black tape, the smoke tape, didn't work the way I wanted it to work. Maybe I should work on something different, or should just don't do it. It's a mess. The fucking BMW, that stupid BMW. I want it to be so beautiful. But yet it's running away from me. You know what I mean? It's running away from me. Okay, now well, at least we got the black grills. We did one thing right, and we fixed the vandalization of the car. Although I vandalized my car by myself. Life is good, isn't it? Well, that's it for this week. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hopefully next week we're gonna do something with the Ferrari. I think so. And hopefully the weather gets better, because this sucks. It really sucks outside. And well, with that bombshell, goodbye.